Hello everyone, and I still remain Odurole Mojibola, your shoemaking made easy tutor, and you're welcome to 2 Minutes Talk with me today. And today we're going to be discussing who are my competitors. Why do I have to know who my competitors are? How do I identify with people who are my competitors in my business? If you're watching my channel for the first time, ensure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be notified. Now, let's go to how do I know who my competitors are and how they help my business to grow. Sit back. I am gonna be right back. Now, like I said, who are my and your competitor? Sometimes your friends, your contemporaries in business might actually be your competitors. And sometimes you find out that you're competing with your friends who are in a totally different career or line of business. But I want you to know today that your best competitor is you. I want us to now look at it. Why should you be your best competitor? The first reason is because you will have a much healthier knowledge of your success. Now, you can determine, oh, last month I made 200,000 naira. This month I want to make more. In the previous month, this is what it is. You can measure your progress. You understand who you are. You run your race at your speed. You should always know in your career in line of or any line of business, other people will always be ahead of you. But you must understand whatever happened to them in their business, whatever stage of growth they are that you haven't achieved, you will definitely get there because you are not competing with them. You are competing with yourself. So learn to study your progress. Take stock of your progress and let it be the measure for your next level and not other people's level of growth. Another reason is because you will always have a better understanding of what you are capable of. If you want to be competing with your contemporaries, you'll find out that they don't know what you are capable of. You are not sure of what they are capable of, but you know what you are capable of. So compete with your capabilities. I'm not saying that you should just relax and say, oh, this is my weakness. I can't advertise. I don't know how to market. Employ somebody to do it for you if that is your weakness. And if you want to grow in that line, register for courses and learn more. You know what you are capable of. Nobody knows it. So because you know it, leverage on that and compete with those things that you are capable of. You want to improve? You want to allow somebody to intervene and do for you? Why not? If all we are doing is to progress in our business, then it's a must to understand what we are capable of. You don't have to be competing with other people because you know your capabilities. You can see you are growing. You're not on the same. Another thing that competing with yourself does, it helps you to embrace the unknown. Now, I want you to know that if all you do is compete with your contemporaries and other people in your line of business or career, you will find out that what they are setting for you is what the goals they are setting for you is what you are going to be living up to every day. And as much as you have achieved the goal, you will relax. But if you have an infinite purpose, it's not as if, oh, you are limited in any way. You keep growing and you can steadfastly see that you are consistently growing. You will find out that you are not limited in any way. You find out that what is even making other people happy is not what will make you happy in the real sense. But you will find yourself growing, and at the same time you are happy achieving what you are actually achieving. Now, finally, I would like you to know that another thing that competing with yourself does is it makes you free from people's judgments. People cannot judge you by anything. Oh, you can see your friend, you can see your colleague, you can see your contemporary. He's doing so well, he's doing so fine. Because you are not competing with them, you are free from people's judgments. You can ignore it. Yes, I'm free to respond to whatever anybody says. I am free not to respond as well. So you are free from whoever's judgment as regards your business or your career. As long as you know that it's not their goal that you are working at. Another thing you should also know is it helps you not to rest on your laurel. Oh, you have achieved a particular goal and you're like, oh, fine. If you're competing with yourself will never allow you to be at a spot and say, yes, I can decide not to move on. No, it keeps you moving on. I want to believe you have enjoyed today's 2 minutes talk. If you have, please let me know in the comment section what you are going to be doing to yourself in one way or the other to compete with yourself. Thank you so much for being part of today's 2 minutes talk rather. And I really want you to know that if you're watching for the first time, ensure you subscribe to my channel, please, and press the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be notified. And I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor. Bye.